Good day, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Python's turtle module to create some animation program. And then it is fun, especially if you have young kids and then you want to show them how to write code to interact with the computer to create some animations. Again, this turtle module and the commands are very user-friendly. I'm not going to write all the code to generate the figures like this using animation, but then we can start with some simple ones, okay? So let me fire up my Python IDE or IDE, okay? Python, okay. And then I believe that you can use any Python versions as long as it's 3 point something and higher, okay? And I'm going to create a source code, okay? And then let me call it this one as turtle, okay? Turtle demo, okay? Yeah, TURTLE demo, okay? Demo, okay? Yeah. And then I'm going to save it to my G drive, okay? The location I usually save my simple code, okay? All right, okay. And then now, okay, I can kind of import the turtle package, import turtle, okay. And then I'm going to instruct the turtle to move forward, to move forward. There's 100 pixels to its right, okay. And then once it's done, usually I will just call the done command or statement. And let's run it, let's test it out. Okay, so let me click run and then run the module. Okay, and click yes or okay. Okay, oops, sorry. And let me see, I got the typo here. Okay, my bad. Okay, so it's turtle. Okay, yeah, no big deal. Okay, just try it again. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you can see that it draw a line based on the request over here. Okay, so the turtle just from here and then it move forward 100 pixels. Okay, 100 pixels. Okay, so this is the pixels, and again, you can see that the motion is super fast. Okay, so maybe maybe you want to slow it down a little bit. Okay. So there is a command you can try, which will be the speed. Okay, so I'm going to use this command here. And then the smaller the number, the slower the animation. Okay, yeah, so let me set it to 1. Okay, set it to 1 and then let me run it. Let me set this one here, see whether they can be displayed at the same screen or not. Yeah. Well, anyway, yeah, so you can see that it's slower now. And then you say, well, I mean, the shape is an arrow sign, is not a turtle sign. Okay, so what can we do? Oh, no big deal, no big deal. I mean, you can use this shape function and then indicate that the shape will be a turtle. Okay, yeah, and then run it again. Okay. And let me minimize this one and run it again. Okay, pretty neat. Okay, so now it becomes a turtle. Okay, and then what is next? Next. Okay, so next maybe we want to instruct the turtle to turn 90 degrees. Okay, yeah, and then move forward. Okay, yeah. So okay, let's do that again. Okay, this is the sequential programming. Okay, so the command here is kind of will be executed from top to bottom, one after another. So turtle right, yeah, right, and then you want to turn this X the turtle to turn 90 degrees. Okay, so again, let's run it. Okay, yeah. Pretty neat. And then move forward. Okay, 100 pixels. Right? Why not? Okay, so again, let's do it. Okay. Pretty interesting. And I mean, of course, I mean, with this one, you have in mind, you want to make the turtle to draw I mean, a square, okay, or rectangle, you know how to do it. Okay, but then how about ask the turtle to create a circle? Right? So now we can use the circle command, okay, or method or function, whatever you want to call it. So circle, okay. And then, okay, how about, let's say, maybe 50, okay, yeah. And basically, the value is a positive value, okay, so, okay, you will make counterclockwise rotation, and with the, if I remember correctly, this should be the diameter, okay, diameter, okay, so let's run it, yeah. Pretty neat, okay, pretty neat, right? So if you want the circle, I mean, if you want the turtle to make, okay, a kind of a clockwise, okay, rotation, right, instead of counterclockwise rotation, then what do you do? Then you can just use the negative value, okay, yeah. So let me put this one there. Okay, this one I use negative 50. Oops, sorry, negative 50, and then let's do it. Yeah. Yeah, pretty neat. Okay, pretty neat. It's pretty interesting. Okay, yeah. So again, those are just some sample code to play with, and then to create the program to run this animation to generate the graph. Okay, I believe that I mean you can take it from here. Okay, and then if you are interested in learning more, okay, this is a really good website. Okay, provide a very good simple code, okay, to create a really many beautiful animation programs and figures. Okay, so let me stop the video here. Okay, yeah.